Look, I know some people like to flaunt their natural nails. I do. And I also know that there are times when they too feel like painting their nails. But rather than just applying nail polish, why not do some art? So guys, welcome to Enaildiaries. Today I'm going to show you 4 different nail art designs that you can do at home. These are simple, easy, and if you go to college, you might want to try one of these. So the nail polishes that I'm going to use today were sent to me by Flicka Cosmetics team. I have 4 of Flicka's nail polishes and these are from their recently launched Well Polished Nails collection. I'll put everything about these nail polishes in the description box below. You can check it out. Okay, now let's talk about the designs. As I said, easy peasy lemon squeezy. The first one I think is the easiest of them all, and the last one is my favorite, and I also love that shade. I also love Petal Peach. Actually, all the shades are beautiful. It totally depends on your preference and likings. And now I should probably stop talking because I'll see you on the other side of the video. So guys, what do you think of the designs? Which one do you like the most? The shattered glass one or the abstract design? That's it for this video. I really hope you found it helpful, and if you did, hit the like button, share this video with your friends, subscribe to my channel and stay connected. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.